Let's see when we quiet when we do the video, okay? Hey guys, so today me and my good uncle right here.
Okay.
First of all, they got the thing playing in the back anyway.
So we have the brand new cheesecake from Cheesecake Factory, and it's called Brownie Crunch Choc-A-Lot. Let's try it. Let's go, KK. Straight fire.
It's so good.
Smooth. Has like some peanuts, chocolate, brownie, everything you need.
It's very, very good.
Smooth.
I recommend. If you know, you know. You should get it.
Let's know where we should go next. Peace.